guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda. If you love all things home decor, fashion, and lifestyle, hit that subscribe button. All of my oldies but goodies, welcome back. Today, I'm going to bring you guys along with me. We're going to go check out the new Spring 2022 home decor collection at Target with Studio McGee. And I am actually going to go on the hunt to try to find some new dining chairs that I've been eyeing on the Cb2 website. So I want to bring you guys along with me. Make sure to keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I know I've been starting all of my shop with me's in the car recently, but I like this style of shop with me. Let me know down below if you guys are enjoying this style of shop with me, where I bring you guys along with me throughout the day. We go get some coffee, go shopping, and all other sorts of fun stuff. Like I mentioned, I want to go check out these dining chairs that I saw on the Cb2 website, so I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Maybe check out some new home decor that wasn't there the last time we went shopping, and of course, check out the new Target home decor collection for 2022. I know that I've been picking up pieces here and there, but I think the entire collection did get released just recently. So we're gonna head on out. I'm just actually waiting for Eddie. Oh, he's here. You guys, I need to pick up some lashes. My eyes, I feel like they look so small when I don't have lashes. Like, it just looks weird. So I need to go pick up some lashes, put them on. But let's head on over to Target. Okay, so we decided to come to the home decor stores first. I'm actually at Crate & Barrel, and I do like this one. Now, here's the thing, you guys. I don't like this material. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. It is comfortable, but I don't like it. It's going for $3.99. Natural woven cane, family friendly, solid metal wood with brushed ebony finish. The aesthetic of this chair is beautiful, but I don't know. What do you think? Do you like it, Eddie?
Yeah, I kind of like it.
You like it? If this was like a boucle maybe, or I don't know, they have a lot of here. What are they?
I think we could do
Not leather.
Not leather? You don't want leather? Yeah, let's go check out. Oh, I think you could actually choose. Oh no, that's just for this specific chair. You could choose the material. Okay. Okay, so let's head on over to West Elm. I actually haven't been to West Elm in a while, so I want to see if I can find some cute dining chairs, hoping they have new stuff in here. So let's go on in. I wanted to show you guys in particularly this bar stool right here. It reminds me so much of my bar stools. I know a lot of you guys have been looking for the ones that I have. They are from Pier 1, so they're not available, but this is the exact material of them. The exact material with the black legs, and this one is going for how much? Oh, there's no tag, but you guys can find it here at West Elm. And yeah, I don't know, I don't see anything that I like. I'm so sad because I really do want to try to give West Elm a shot, but okay. DIY project's gonna be. I really like this, you guys. I think I could achieve this above my bed. Such a neat idea. Anyways, we came to see all of the chairs, of course, so let's go see what they have. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you real quick. This is the rug that I got inspired by, the one that I have at home. Except mine is from Home Goods. This is from Restoration Hardware. You guys can see the design. It's almost exactly the same. I love it. I actually just recently sent it out to get washed, so I'm excited to get it back. Okay, Cb2. Let's hope they have those dining chairs that I want to see in stock. Okay, first dining chair. Eddie's actually testing it out. No? You don't like it? Is it comfy?
Yes.
See? Okay, this one has the boucle material that I like. And it has the cane back. How much are they there?
$4.29.
$4.29. These are nice. Okay, these are one of the ones that I wanted to come see that I saw on the website that I fell in love with. It's the Ines Boucle dining chair. So you guys can see, I love the style, the design. It's black on white. Let's see if it's comfy. Yeah, I like how it has like the armrest, like you can rest, you're talking, you're eating. You guys, I'm doing a whole display for you guys here. I like it. I really like it.
They look a little small though. Or it's just the design of them.
I think so. Or a dining chair is, a dining table is about this high. Let's look at some other ones. Okay, so these are the second ones that we fell in love with on the website. What did you say about these, babe?
These are a little bit cheaper.
They're cheaper, so they're
$3.49.
$3.49, and they feel and look a little bit more luxurious than the other ones. Are they comfy? Yeah. Yeah, I love the design to these. Yes, they are a boucle material, Sherpa. I feel that it'll tie into our living room since we have the boucle swivel chairs. But of course, I would get the white ones. Hi, good, thank you. Okay, third candidate. I really like these. You guys can see that I'm definitely going with something of a round design. How much are those, babe?
$500.
500, so these are definitely more expensive. But I did ask, these are performance fabrics, so if you guys are looking for a really nice dining chair that you can keep up with, these are it. Okay, so we actually came across the street to where the regular stores are at because I need to go to Bloomingdale's and pick up my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack that I sent out for repair a few months ago. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me.
Anything that's not getting repaired goes in the back, so you don't have to worry.
Thank you.
No worries. I'm glad you have a
Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, my birthday is coming up and I am in love. Oh my god, she's a beauty. I don't know, you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know down below if I should or should not get this bag. Wow. Okay, so we actually found some that we like, you guys. I like this one. Oh. Sweet sandalwood. It smells really good. And then Eddie liked the sunshine and lemons. They actually have this whole little collection right here from White Barn. It smells really good. The pink one, the raspberry and tangerine. Smell that one.
It's okay. It smells like candy.
Oh, no, I don't like it. This restaurant is cute. So we actually came to dinner nearby. It's a Mexican restaurant. It's called Playa Mesa. I love the aesthetic. You guys see? It's so cute. It actually reminds me of like Tulum vibes. Really cute. I'm starting off with a tamarindo margarita. Is that what he said it was? Was it a margarita? Yeah, it was tamarindo flavor. With tahini on the rim, and then Eddie got, wait, what'd you get?
Cucumber margarita.
Cucumber margarita. So far the drinks are really good, so we're hoping the food is really good. We'll see. Okay, food came out hella quick, you guys. So if you're looking at coming here, the food is very, very prompt. I got birria tacos, and so did Eddie, and then my baby got beef and cheese burrito. Oh, you guys, I should not be having this. I always am so hard on myself when I treat myself to a dessert because I know tomorrow I'm gonna be killing at the gym and I'm gonna be hard on myself, but it's okay. It's okay because every bite is worth it. So, let's dig in. Okay, so we just got done with dinner, you guys. This is the restaurant that we just ate at. Everything was so delicious. The food, the drinks, the aesthetic. It's in Newport Beach, which is where we're currently at. It was good. Did you like it, babe?
Yeah, it was really good.
It was really, really good. We will definitely be coming back. Oh. Okay, so I am at Target, and the first thing I see is this really pretty bench. It's called the Ventura Bench by Studio Mickey. This is gorgeous. I feel like this could go really well inside and outside of your home. It looks really comfortable. I like it. Even like at the end of your bed, it would look really nice in the entryway, outside. It's really pretty. What is this? Okay. Wow, lots of light wood. I love it. This looks exactly like a console I saw at Crate and Barrel. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's not fall time, but I thought this was very neat. It's a pampas candle. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh. It's okay to have the scent of pampas during winter, right? Okay, so you guys saw that at Restoration Hardware, they had all those frames above the bed. I'm really tempted to want to do this above my bed because I don't have anything currently, and these frames would be perfect. IKEA has amazing frames as well that you guys can use to put together a collage of pictures like the one we just saw at Restoration Hardware. Let me know down below if I should do it. What do you guys think? Should I do it? Let me know down below because I'm really, really tempted to do it. Give myself a little DIY project. Okay, I love that there is now an Ulta inside Target, so I can just pick up some things that I need and not have to go to an actual Ulta and spend extra money. I actually came to get the, where's that? Hair oil. I love this hair oil. It's one of my favorite ones from Way. Of course, I love their hand lotion and their hand soap, and I've tried all of their hair products, but their hair oil is possibly my favorite. I just gifted my sister-in-law a body scrub. Oh, this one right here. And she says she loved it. So I'm so tempted to try it. But I only want to pick up what I need for now. Ooh, see, there's the hand lotion and the hand wash. 100% recommended. If you guys have never tried this hand wash and hand soap, try it out. Okay, so we just left Target. We're gonna hit the road, but we want to get some coffee.
Starbucks.
Tesla, take us to Starbucks. Okay, you guys, so we got our coffee. We're about to hit the road. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really loving bringing you guys along with me throughout my dining room process, because you guys know that typically I would just order everything and then style it up and show it to you guys as a home tour video. But this time you guys are coming along with me throughout the process, and I've officially ordered my dining chairs and my dining table, which I'm super stoked. I should have everything by late April, so you guys know that I will be bringing you that updated dining room tour. Next, I want to switch out my coffee table and my bar stools, but one thing at a time. But I'm having so much fun, of course, seeing what's new in stores. We got to see what's new at Cb2, Crate & Barrel, West Elm, and we popped into Target. I've really been loving seeing more textures and warm tones in these stores for home decor pieces and home furniture. And you guys, I cannot wait to share with you my new dining chairs. You will see that the obsession with boucle Sherpa is real. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video yet again. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. It lets me know you guys are loving it. Go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will link everything down below. We are almost at 100,000 followers over on TikTok, you guys. YouTube fam, I need you over on TikTok. Go help me hit 100,000 followers. Until next time, stay safe. I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.